Well, afternoon. This is Williams, Philippines, and it's about 3:15 p.m. on Thursday, November 7th, 2024. Bit out of whack. Yeah. Having long days like yesterday kind of puts the whole system into time shock. I do not recommend staying awake for 20 plus hours, especially when you go and hit 24. The day just ain't right after that. You end up all bent out of shape and not looking and thinking right. It is what it is, though. And yeah, trying not to go and do things like that. But from what I can figure, and yeah, I'm done going to Lubbock. I might have one more trip there before I leave out. Go visit a friend down there and tell him have a good day and blessings. Of course, that depends on if they come up here. We'll see. But Lubbock is I got a friend down there, and like I said, there's reasons to travel that way. Anyway, still ain't right from after yesterday, and yeah, have that wonderful, I feel like one's pinched off sideways moment. That's probably going to last for another week and a half. I'm so glad to not have to go back and do any more of that. Yeah. It is what it is, though. It's done, though. That's the good part. Let's see. I did manage to get some pictures taken. And I actually found out that my camera does pretty good at snapping a shot out the window while driving. I missed a few of the spots I was aiming at, but hey, wasn't trying to aim that well. But I did manage to get a few that I actually caught what I was aiming at, which is like, yay. And the camera with autofocus on this little lens actually did a pretty good job of catching it, so yay. That's a good thing. And I talked with the lady down there and was finding out about lenses and such, and filters, and just protective filters, screen filters for the lens, keep them from getting dirty and such. There's a few of them I would like to pick up, because it does protect the lens, keeps things off the actual glass that's important by putting another piece of glass that isn't important out there to be messed with. So, yay. And if you don't know what I mean about, that's what I mean about. Yay. So, this one can get banged up, scratched up, and ain't going to make much of a difference. Especially if you go and you put one of these things on it to shield the lens, or the filter lens. So, yay. And I was over here trying to get this thing figured out as to trying to use it for streaming. I have no clue how to do that. He keeps trying to ask me to put numbers in somewhere for something, and I'm like, what? I have no clue. I need more. Yeah. And how pretty much it does not recognize, my computers do not recognize me even having a camera there. And why isn't it not recognizing it? I don't know. But yeah, it's somewhere between the settings here, the settings there, the settings there, the settings over there, and somewhere in between and yonder. I think I'm just going to go back to that little bitty action camera I have. Set it up, leave it hooked up to my other computer, and do it from over there when I want to do one here, which will save me having to bring this computer that I carry to work with me in here to do it. Yeah. And that actually has better camera on that little action cam than this computer does. So, yay. But I don't really think that it's that good. But I did manage to stop and try to take some pictures with my dad's telephoto lens. And I was looking across, and I got some pictures of some of the big windmills that were out there. And they're a good 10, 15 miles back. I know they're at least 10. Probably 12. They're way out there. Then I got to get up closer to one, and I was within like 3 miles of it, maybe a little more. But you can see the difference in size from where they are just 3 miles away or so, and 10, 15 miles away, 10, 12, 15 miles away. So yeah. But I did manage to snap it with that camera. There's some settings in there that I'm still not quite right with, but hey, I could make them out. I'm standing over there in the distance. I'll try to get those up tonight and put that out as just a little photo slideshow thing. See if I can figure out how to do the slideshow and put the volume to it, or the voiceover to it. I've tried that a couple times and had some minor success. I gotta pull the mic out and actually connect everything and get it all attached, because yay, it is what it is. But yes, there are some photos from there. I think I got like 100 of them, 130 of them actually. But I think only about 100 of them were worth using. So, but I did see a few things that were of interest, and managed to snap a few shots. Saw a couple of old power wagons. Way old power wagons. Those things were old when I was born. So yeah. Easy coming up on 80 years, if not 100. So yeah, that kind of thing. Let's see, well, I'm 61, so if they're 20 years older than I am, I'd put them at 43, 40, yeah, 2, somewhere in that ballpark's about right. Some might be newer, some might be older. But yeah, I did get a couple pictures, though. I think a few of them actually came out decent. I'll try to post those. Like I say, there's probably a good 30 of them that ain't worth looking at. I tried to take a picture of a mule. Didn't work out. I wasn't fast enough to get those. I did manage to get one where you can see the mule, but it's like back over my shoulder and kind of almost cut off by the strap and the corner of my window. Yeah, I tried. It is what it is, but I'll try to get those up tonight. Like I say, I'm still kind of not right for my sleep schedule for sure. I'm all bent out of it. I do not suggest messing up your sleep schedule, especially when you work nights and sleep days, and then to stay awake until about the time you should be waking up is not good for your sleep schedule. I'm bent out of shape as far as time goes, and hell, it's not like we didn't just Saturday night, Sunday morning have a time shift. Yeah. Let's do the time warp again. Well, screw that. Yeah. I'm tired of it. Don't get me wrong. I think that movie was a fun one. But yeah. Time shifts and crap like that. I'm getting too old for this shit. Sorry, but just stating the truth. I'll be glad to be able to not have to stay awake overnight. Be able to get to where I actually sleep during the night. This night shift stuff really does. It bites. So yeah, I am ready to get done with this. And I think the big problem I'm having here is that my body wants to go back to being a day person again. Because, well, mankind, men, people, humans, we are not meant to be awake during the night. Yeah, and especially not be awake during the night and sleep all day during the day for 20 plus years. Yeah. I don't know about you, but yeah. I'm ready for that crap to be over with. Anyway, I do need to try to get back to my schedule, so I'm needing to go to sleep at this point. Pretty much, I'm going to post this, get it up, and go. Because, yeah, I need to be asleep right now. And, oh, shit. It is, just talking about sleep. Of course, now that I've talked about sleep and I'm starting to get sleepy, I'll go lay down and try to go to sleep and won't be able to. Because my world is trying to fight me. My sleep schedule is arguing heavily against the insanity of my realities of, oh yeah, working nights. Yeah. The good thing about it is, though, I decided to stop and get a batch of stir fry, and I ate about half of it yesterday and ate the other half just before I started this thing, so yeah, I'm hoping that helps me go to sleep, and it seems to me helping at this point. I am trying to go to sleep, but of course the moment I do lay down. Anyway, just looked at it, and I'm up to 208 subscribers. This has been a pretty good week. I think I gained 5, something like that. Thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe and comment. Yeah. Oh, and yeah, as for Trump, yeah, we seem to have had a pretty good red wave. Looks like we're going to have the House as well as the Senate, or we're going to keep the House and add to it. And we took the Senate for a full-blown majority, and, well, we got the White House and a bunch of states across the country. Yeah. But they're still trying to pretend that the stolen election for Sleepy Joe, actually, he had more voters. Puff, puff, pass. Puff, puff, pass. Because if you believe that, you smoking something, you need to get it out of your face. Anyway. Yeah. But apparently, what's her girl decided to come out and say, we must accept the election. Okay, good. Yeah. Had one of my friends ask about, yeah, never mind, I'm not going to go there. Although I do not like that woman. I know how she got into office, so. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. I hope you had a lot of good food, a good night's rest, and it's been a peaceful, easy week for you. I'm William from Williams, Philippines, and hey, I'm Fish, and Fish is out. Got a monster to answer.